So students, let's learn the second unit. In this second unit, the first line, the sun in heaven was shining gay. The writer is telling that in the sea, how the atmosphere was. The atmosphere was very wonderful. All around, happy atmosphere was there. The sun was shining very happily. ता अर्थ राइटर कहते जे से समय समुद्र कौन होता समुद्र चारिआडे सुंदर वातावरण थिला आउ सूर्य सुंदर भाव चकचक करुले. सेकेंड लाइन, ऑल थिंग्स वर जॉयफुल ऑन दैट डे एवरीथिंग वाज जॉयफुल. द ऑल अराउंड एटमॉस्फियर वाज वेरी वंडरफुल. सबुकिछि खुशी खुशी माहौल रे थिला, चारिआडे खुशीर वातावरण थिला सेही समुद्र रे. Then what happened next? In the next line, the seabirds screamed as they wheeled around. The seabirds were screaming happily. They are enjoying the atmosphere as the sun was shining brightly, beating down towards the earth and towards the sea. The sun was beating very nicely. So the birds were moving around. They were screaming. They were making sound. चढ़ई माने शब्द करुथले. तांको मन आंदोलित होउथला, खुशी होउथला, and they were happily screaming and making sound, the birds. Then the next line, and there was joyance in their sound. And what was in their sound? The sound was very joyful. They were merrily making noise. The birds are चढ़ई माने खुशी रे साउंड सृष्टि करुथले आ वातावरण रे एक नूतन उन्मादना पळे आसीथिला, नूतन उत्साह पळे आसीथिला सेही वातावरण रे. Now students, come to the next stanza. In the next stanza, the first line is, the boy of the Inchcape bell was seen. What happened? The Inchcape bell was seen at that time. The boy of the Inchcape bell was seen. Boy कहले जो काठरे सेही बेल टाकू झुला जाइतिला सेटा समुद्र रे टिके टिके देखा जाउथला. And then the second line, a darker speck on the ocean green. How the boy was looking? The boy was looking like a darker speck, a black dot. It was looking like a black dot in the green ocean. समुद्र भितरे से जोथरे इंचकेप बेल्टा को ओहला जाइतिला सेटा समुद्र भितरे कला दाग भली देखा जाउथला. Then the next line, Sir Ralph the Rover. Who is Sir Ralph the Rover? Sir Ralph is a pirate, sea pirate. And what he saw? He saw a darker speck on the green sea. से Sir Ralph होउछन्ति जने जलदस्यु. से कोन देखिले गोटिए कला दाग समुद्र भितरे सेही इंचकेप रॉक जोठी थिला ता पाखरे गोटे कला दाग देखा जाउथला तांको. The next line, and he fixed his eye on the darker speck. He constantly saw at the darker speck. से कौन कले एक लयरे से कला दाग को देखा लगिले. So students, let's come to the third stanza. But before going to the third stanza, let's analyze the second stanza. In the second stanza, the sea pirate, his name is Sir Ralph Rover. What he saw? He saw a dark speck in the green sea, and he constantly looked at that darker speck. सेही कला दाग आड़ को एक लय से चाह रहिले. ता पर स्टांजा रे कौन हेछि ना, लेट्स सी इन द थर्ड स्टांजा. ही फेल्ट द चियरिंग पावर ऑफ स्प्रिंग. इट वाज द स्प्रिंग सीजन and the atmosphere is very wonderful. All around happy atmosphere was there. The sun was shining brightly, the birds were moving, the birds were flying, and the atmosphere was very interesting. Atmosphere was there. सार राल्फ एई समयटा को उपभोग करुथले तांको जहाजर डेक रे ठिया होई से आनंद अनुभव करुथले. It made him whistle, it made him sing, and because of that spring season and because of that beautiful atmosphere, what he was doing, sea pirate Sir Ralph, he was enjoying, he was whistling, he was singing, he was making merry in that ship. Then in the next line, his heart was mirthful to excess. What is the meaning of mirthful? Mirthful means joyful. His heart was full of joy. He was enjoying that moment. He made himself very happy in that atmosphere. से निजको खुशी अनुभव करुथले आ एंजॉय करुथले सेही समय रे सेही जलदस्यु जनक. किंतु सेही खुशीटा कौन थिला? से खुशी रे दुष्टामी थिला. से खुशी रे मंद उद्देश्य थिला. He had a bad intention. And what was the bad intention? In the next stanza we will learn. So students, let's learn the fourth stanza. In the fourth stanza, what is happening there? His eye was on the Inchcape float. His eye was what was floating on the sea. He was constantly looking at the floating thing in the sea. And he was looking at that darker speck. से कौन करुछंती ना समुद्र से कला दागटाकू एक लୟରେ चाहि रहिछंती. Next line. Quoth he means said he, my men put out the boat. He is telling his men to put out one boat from the ship. से कहउछंती जे शिप रे थिबा गोटे छोटो बोट बाहर करो. For what purpose? Next line. And row me to the Inchcape rock. And he is telling that take me to that Inchcape rock. आउ से Inchcape rock पाखकू मते नै चलो बोली से जलदस्यु जनक कहउछंती. Then the next line. And I will plague the abbot of Aberbrothock. I will plague means I will teach a lesson to whom? To the abbot of Aberbrothock. से कहउछंती कोन ना से जो abbot of Aberbrothock जे तांको मो एक शिक्षा देवी जे कहीं कि से Inchcape बेलटा लगेई छंती एठी. So students, let's learn the fifth stanza. In the fifth stanza, what is happening? The boat is lowered, the boatmen row. What happened? They took the boat. They started their journey in a boat. Where? Near the Inchcape rock. And what Sir Rolf did? And to the Inchcape rock they go. Sir Rolf went to the Inchcape rock in that boat. And what he did there? Sir Rolf bent over from the boat. ଯେतेबेले से माने बोट टाकू जहाजरू काढ़िले आउ से Inchcape रॉक पाखु गले. सार रल्फ मध्य सेथिरे बसी गले और सेठी से कौन कले से नई पड़िले. ही बेंट डाउन एंड व्हाट ही डिड एंड ही कट द बेल फ्रॉम द Inchcape फ्लोट. एंड व्हाट ही डिड ए वेरी नास्टी थिंग, ए बैड थिंग. व्हाट ही डिड? ही कट द Inchcape बेल. से कौन कले से Inchcape बेल टाकू काटी देले. सो वी आर इन द लास्ट स्टांजा ऑफ द सेकंड यूनिट एंड हियर we learn down sunk the bell with a gurgling sound. So what happened when he cut down the Inchcape bell? What happened? The Inchcape bell goes down to the sea. And how the water was making sound? There was gurgling sound when the bell was going deep into the sea. The water was making gurgling sound. कौन होतला? समुद्र रे एक gurgling sound होतला जेहेतु से बेलटा समुद्र भितर पड़ी जाइथिला. Then the next line. The bubbles rose and burst around. What was happening? Bubbles were rising in the sea as the bell was going deep into the sea. At that time bubbles were rising. कौन होतला? पानी रे फोटो का सृष्टि होतला और से फोटो का गुड़ा मध्य फाटी जाउतला. सेठी वर्णना कर समुद्र जो बेलटा पड़ जाए गोटे जिनस आम समुद्र में पकेबा जो साउंड हम से साउंड टाक से ही इज डिस्क्राइबिंग अबाउट दैट इज टेलिंग दैट द बबल्स वेर राइजिंग एट द टाइम व्हेन द बेल वाज गोइंग डीप इनटू द सी. द नेक्स्ट लाइन. Quoth Sir Ralph. Now Sir Ralph is feeling jealous. He was very jealous about the abbot of Aberbrothock. Here the writer is telling that he doesn't like, Sir Ralph doesn't like the praise of abbot of Aberbrothock. He hates him. Why? Because everyone was praising him. Everyone was praising abbot of Aberbrothock because he fixed one Inchcape bell on that perilous rock. से एठी तांकर राइटर एठी सार राल्फकर ईर्षा भावना को दर्शेइछंती. सार राल्फ केमिति ईर्षान्वित हो जाइथिले जे समस्ते से रॉक पाखु जी आसुथला समस्ते आबट ऑफ आबरब्रथों को प्रशंसा करुथिले ता तांको से सेटा सही पारु नथिले से जलदस्यु जनक. सो व्हाट ही इज सेइंग? कोथ Sir Ralph said, the next who come to the rock won't bless the abbot of Aberbrothock. So he is saying that next time when somebody will come to this rock, he will not praise abbot of Aberbrothock. से कहउछंती कोन नेक्स्ट टाइम जेहेतु मैं बेलटा बे काटी देइछि तळे समुद्र रे पड़ी जाइछि नेक्स्ट टाइम जे आसीबो इस रॉक पाखकु आउ abbot of Aberbrothock को प्रशंसा करिबो नाही. किंतु सार रल्फ एठी निज पई गात खोली देइछंती. कौन है आम नेक्स्ट यूनिट रे पढ़िबा।